Hey everybody, it's Dr. Robert Potoff here with the King James Bible Institute, and I'm bringing this video to you today just to make a few quick announcements that people have been emailing me and asking me about. I figured I might as well just answer everybody all at one time right here. So a lot of important information. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible for you. First of all, I want to let everyone know that your grades are being counted, you're being scored. You should be receiving emails immediately after you take your quizzes of your individual quiz grades. If you're not, then there's something going on. We need to figure out what it is. Now, secondly, concerning grades, we're now ready to start making report cards and transcripts, things of that nature for us. What I'm asking for you to do, if you would like a report card, there's going to be a button on the front page of the Institute where you go to log into your classes and things of that nature. There's going to be a button there that'll say report cards or something of that nature. Well, when you click on that button, there'll be a little form to fill out. You fill out that form and it'll let me know, hey, this student wants their report card. Now, that being said, make sure you fill out the form completely. Don't leave anything blank on that form, because I need to know exactly what classes you finished so that I can get your full report card. Now, understand, your report card is unnecessary. You get grades for every single course that you take, every single lesson that you complete. You get your grade immediately. Now, that being said, if you want a report card, I'm happy to get it for you. But you can, if you would like, you can average your own grades and know what your score is without having to ask me about it. But I'm happy to do that. Now, with the report cards, if you want a digital copy, we're going to make that absolutely free for you. There's no need to charge you for that. If you would like a printed copy, that's going to require a little bit more work on my end, plus mailing out and mailing supplies and things of that nature. So for a printed copy, you're looking at $5. That's pretty cheap. All the money you're saving by free Bible college, hopefully you can round up $5 to help us avoid those costs there. When we do final transcripts have to be sent by certified mail to the institution that's receiving them. So if, let's say you want to transfer out to another college when you finish up whatever program you're in, most of you are in the Poly and Epistle program. So let's say you want to transfer out. Well, the receiving college, they need to get an actual official transcript, and it has to be certified mail and sealed so that they know that it hasn't been tampered with and things of that nature. That being said, those are going to be a little more costly at $10, only because I would have more cost sending them out, and I just can't afford to send all of these transcripts out when we're not bringing in the money to do so. Speaking of all of these transcripts, we're at 920 students now in just over a month. So that is fantastic. You guys have been sharing this thing, you've been getting it out there, and we appreciate it. And 920, when I say that, I really don't know the true number. I know that's the minimum that we have, but we also have several folks that are taking this program together. So that being said, if you're taking the program together with someone, please create a separate account and sign up and let them take their own test. It'll be beneficial for everyone, and they can receive their grades. I can't get you grades if I can't get you get your information and the test taken there. All right, so we've covered that. We've covered the report cards. They're ready to start coming out as you need them. You just have to request them, and I'll get them to you as quickly as possible. Transcripts, I don't recommend you get unless you're going to transfer somewhere else, and those don't come to your home. They go to the Institute. So please keep that in mind. Also, the report cards, if you do choose to get the paper one, the $5 that I mail to you, I'm going to send you the digital one with that as well. Those are always going to be free. All right. That being said, you may have noticed some changes on the website. We've had a lot of updates this past week. Brother Breaker and his family, they came here to my home in South Carolina, and we sat and we labored over this thing. We put it together, trying to package it more beautifully for you there, and we developed more certificate programs, which quizzes are being created now for those. That will be coming out shortly. So if you see a certificate program and there's no quizzes, it's not ready yet. Just know that. You can still watch the courses. They're there for those who want to audit. But right now, if you would stick to the Pauline epistles in the order that we have them, that will be the best interest for everyone. After that, by the time someone finishes that, these certificate courses should be completed and we'll be ready to go. And there'll be much more coming down the pipeline very quickly. So most all of our material is ready to go. It's just the need for the quizzes to be built and designed. And I am still finding a few errors in quizzes, and some things they're kind of laughable because they're things I know I've caught and I know I've changed, and then for some reason this hasn't changed when I'm going back to look at it. So I've got multiple emails about the same issue. So I'm in the process now of going in, if those quizzes are giving me a hard time, just deleting them and putting them back in there, fresh and new, so that we can get rid of those issues for you. But we like I said, we do have the certificate programs out there, and I wanted to show you this. This is an example of one of the certificates that would be out there. This one was going to Joseph Gonzalez. That's Robert Breaker's right-hand man down there at the Cloud Church. So Joseph has already actually received the certificate by the time you guys see this. This is the duplicate. So I'm so excited, though, and I just want to thank you all for, first and foremost, for your generosity. Last month, you guys met our needs so that we didn't have to actually go into our own pocket for this program. So, even we had to go into it with labor-wise, but it didn't cost us anything money-wise because of you guys' generosity, and we really do appreciate that. We appreciate you helping us keep this program free. Thank you so much for that. It's very generous of you, very, very, very kind of you here. But I got a baby opening the door, so you just have to hear the interruption there because I'm not starting this video over. I got to get that Joker. That Joker, he just comes in here. I tell you what, come here, let him say who you are. Come here. Come on. He's going to come in anyway. All right, this is Waylon. Waylon's 5. All right, go back out so Daddy can finish this video. All right, he'll stand there and he'll look through the window if I don't let him in. It just feels so guilty not letting him come in and be in here. He just wants to be with Dad. All right, so we got to the certificates out there. And please, one other way that you guys can help is to make sure you're liking and sharing and following us on YouTube, especially. Both myself and Brother Breaker. Most of you are probably already following Brother Breaker. Please like this channel. Help us get the school the attention that it deserves, being out there for absolutely free. We're doing some great things that are going to affect eternity right now, and some of you guys that are going to go through this program, you're going to wind up planting churches, and you're going to affect eternity, and probably in bigger ways than Brother Breaker or myself will. Hopefully that's the case. I hope and pray that our ministries are small compared to what you guys are able to do. That would be just absolutely wonderful if that were the case. Well, I don't have anything else for you on this video. I just do want to thank you again, and guys, tune in on TikTok as well. You can find me under Mission 1611 right now on TikTok. Find me on there. We go back and forth debating, sharing the gospel. We've led a lot of people to the Lord, so come check it out. Oh, the last announcement, big announcement. I had a lot of people send me emails about discipleship programs that I would recommend, and quite honestly, I have a hard time recommending a lot of different things there because a lot of you never know what somebody's out there preaching. So we actually decided to make our own discipleship program, and it's just released just the other day. It's available on Amazon. I'll put a link to it here in the description of this video. But it's Faith in the Blood. It's a 30-day discipleship kit for you, all about the blood. 30 days. This would be absolutely perfect for you to have at home to do discipleship with your family, and we're going to have more of these coming out so that you can have a monthly one if you'd like. This is a chance for you to take this material and teach your family, if you will. And there's little small quizzes, like 5-question quizzes in each one. So absolutely wonderful. I hope you guys will check it out, and we look forward to getting some of these report cards out to you. Y'all be blessed, be good. If we don't see you here, we'll see you in the air. You hear?